How to avoid corrosion of industrial chillers. 1. Carry out comprehensive cleaning for the unit on a regular basis, especially in the environment where the unit is located. There are acidic substances. It is necessary to insist on regular cleaning to keep the acid, base outside and inside of the unit in a relatively balanced state and reduce the impact of corrosion. Better retention properties. 2. Move the unit to a suitable operating environment. If the unit is located in a relatively harsh environment, it is easily affected by various corrosive substances. Therefore, try to install the unit in a ventilated environment away from corrosive substances. 3. Correct installation of water treatment pipelines. Incorrect installation of water treatment pipelines or abnormalities in pipelines will cause corrosion of unit system pipelines. The water quality also determines whether the water treatment pipeline will accumulate stale and rust in a short period of time. If the water quality is not good, the pipeline needs to be cleaned frequently.